Hi, this is Greg. Today I want to tell you about a new branch of Horizon Decks, helical piles. But to make it more fun, I'm going to have my 5-year-old daughter film it. Camera, and you're going to point it at Daddy. That's fine. We can install helical piles for your own deck project, whether you're a contractor or a homeowner doing it yourself. Or we can build you a complete deck. We also do foundation repair. If your house is sinking to the ground because you have shitty soil, we can fix it.
Hey, don't shit.
I don't see.
It's bad.
Okay, let's do it again. Whether you're a contractor or a homeowner doing it yourself, or we can build you a complete deck. We also do foundation repair. If your house is sinking into the ground because you have bad soil, we can fix it.
Thank you for saying bad soil. Don't say shitty soil. That is bad word.
Okay. Standard finishes include bare steel or hot dip galvanized for corrosive soil or for building near or on water. Our exotic fruit flavors are only available from beginning of spring to the end of summer and do absolutely nothing other than make it look more fun. What are helical piles? Think of it as a 5-foot or 7-foot screw that is driven into the ground and remains in the ground. Get closer, Ray. The helical plates or helix.
I know. I'm pointing at it.
You're fine. It went away.
I'm bored of helical piles. I'm going inside.
The helical plate or helix pulls the shaft down as it is driven into the ground, just like a wood screw. In a matter of minutes, you can have a footing that sits below the frost line and therefore not affected by frost heaving, and you can build on it right away. No more need to auger a hole, deal with excavated dirt, bring in concrete, mix and pour, then wait for at least 1 day for it to dry. Helical piles are not only easier but also more cost effective and versatile. Plus you can install them all year long, even through snow and frost. Call or text me today and let's discuss how helical piles can make your foundation and life better. We're almost done. 2 more shots.
Oh, just one.
Okay, one more.
I just wanted one.
Okay, one more. Come on.